Hello guys, happy new week. We are going to be looking up on the Forex pairs, what we have in the market, what how they are going to react this week. All right, so stay tuned to this video is over. We are going to reach out to your peer. Definitely your peer will be analyzed in this video. All right, so don't forget to share to your friends to get them to learn as well as you learn in this video. All right, so let's get started. I'm currently on let me share the chart. Okay, so right now I'm currently on, you can see currently on US card. You can see I'm currently on US card, and right now US card weekly time frame is telling us that price is what bullish. So if you notice what the price is doing here, price is bullish, came here, gave us a pullback, and then gave us a bullish move to this zone, and then now giving us a bearish move down backwards. So all we have to do is to just mark out our key levels. That will help us in identifying the direction of price, whether it's going to actually reject from that particular zone or it's going to continuously moving. So stay tuned. Let's watch out this. Let me clean up this so that the chart will not be so messy, because I don't like my chart being messy. All right, right now I'm gonna mark out this low because this is the lowest low that price created here, that pushes up this price back here, even though this is weak. This didn't show well, so this is it. Mark out this low, and then mark out this a little high here that price made on the weekly time frame. And then if you notice, this is the highest level that price created here on the weekly time frame, so making this a low that pushes price high. So this low pushes the price very high, to the extent that it got this broken by this move. So this impulsive move here actually took out this high. So if you notice, there is a consolidation on this particular zone. Price was busy consolidating, and finally this move pick it out, telling us that the buyers are still in the market. We should be looking out for a buying opportunity. But right now, price is showing us, if you look at the current move of price now, it's showing us that price is selling. So how we are going to identify this is by marking out the key levels, and then which is mark out this, this the high that pushes the price. So price might definitely come into this zone and then get the same reactions back up. So we'll go down to the daily time frame to see what the daily time frame have for us. Currently at the daily time frame, notice the daily time frame is giving us a bearish move here, telling us that price is going bearish, telling us that price is going bearish. So what daily have to do is to just make a retracement and then continuously going its bearish move. All right. So this is it. We'll go down. I think there's no other thing here to analyze from the daily time frame. And this is the highest level that price created. Here on the high daily time frame, see price made a push to this high. And then what's happened? This high brought the price, push it very down back. So actually, we are expecting price to draw more back to this low. Let me extend this on the US card. So price is on downtrend on the daily, weekly. So right now on the 4 hours time frame, if you notice, this is the zone that will mark, clearly giving us an equal high on that particular zone, telling us that price is going down. All price can do is to just make a retracement and then continue its downward move. All right, heading back to this particular zone, or this particular zone before a reversal pullback. Price can definitely do this on the 4 hours time frame, coming here and then started going down, or probably coming here, made some pullback and then started going down. All right. So this is the only thing price can do. All you have to do is to be very patient, wait for confirmation either at this key level or this key level. You guys know how we mark out this. So what I'll have to do is to go down to the next one here, which is GBP USD. So currently on GBP USD, what is the GBP USD telling us here? Let's go down to the weekly time frame to know the actual direction of BTC. sorry, GBP. GBP is currently giving us, if you notice, this is the highest level that price made here, which price is trying to approach on. And then came all the way to this particular zone, give us something like a shoulder level. But this low, if you notice, this low is a low that the price is trying to make some pullback. You notice this low has a pullback as well on the backward. If you look at it from the backward. So right now, price is making sense. So stay tuned. Definitely, you can learn one or two strategies from this video. All right. Don't forget to like, share to your friends to also learn. So if you notice, price came all the way to this particular zone. This is the low. Came all the way to this particular zone and then make a pullback. This is creating something like an equal low on this particular zone. Make a pullback back to this high. And if you notice, price have rejected already from here for the first time and then created this move. Came back again. This is a bearish move. And then the buyers are being taken over from have been taken over here. So all you have to do is to just pay attention and wait for adjustment and then head back or wait for price to come to the next high. So this is giving us the bullish move. Wait for price to come to the next high and then we join. All right. Join the sellers. So this is the buying mode. You notice price is creating on the daily time frame. You notice price is creating a high. Price is creating a highs. You notice price is creating a highs. Highs are constantly being broken. Just maintaining that the price is actually going up. See, and this high was taken down. And that price is actually going up. Greater than you know how price is actually going up. You see that. So no lows has been broken yet. Telling you that creating a high, a testimony, then telling that price is heading back up. See, daily time frame is telling us that price is bullish. All you have to be looking out for is a bullish move. So you see it 4 hours time frame trying to retrace. You notice 4 hours time frame from all the way to this zone trying to make a retracement for the buyer there are to match the price. That's why price retrace back. That's why price retrace back from here. And then if it's able to come back here and make a retracement and then you continuously buying. All right. So just look for a buying opportunity on GBP. Look for a selling opportunity on USDJPY. All right. Sorry, USD card. So we'll go down to BTC USD to see what BTC USD have for us here. So right now you're seeing on BTC USD, this 4 hours time frame. We are going to be going down to the weekly time frame to see what the price is doing on the weekly time frame. So right now, weekly time frame is telling us that BTC is bullish. It's telling us that BTC is bullish. Looking at this high was notice this high price came to retrace and this high. It's giving us a bullish move, telling us that price is setting up. This is how you can identify if price is bullish or not. No lows have been broken. All the highs keep on constantly being broken. Came all the way to this high, give us a selling move and started replacing back. So all you have to do is to just take a buy opportunity on the BTC. All right. So this is it from BTC daily time frame, giving us the bullish move. So go down to the daily time frame to see what the price is doing. Sorry, that was a weekly time frame. So right now, currently on the daily time frame. So right now, daily time frame is telling me that price is going bullish as well. You notice, of course, the moving average pointing up, and then buyers came here and make a retracement. All you can do is to just wait for price to break this high here. Notice price made a consolidation on this particular zone. All you have to do is to wait for price to break this high and then take your buy opportunity, join the buyers, drive it back to this high. Sit. So that's what you have to do. Price didn't take out this high. Do not and don't enter. All right. So this is it. We'll go down to the 4 hours time frame, I think same thing. You just have to wait for it on the 4 hours time frame to play out there. And 1 hour time frame, whichever time frame you are using for, just know that BTC is the uptrend. I have to do is to just be buying, all right. So just be buying, there's just it. And we'll go down to USD JPY to see what USD JPY is doing. So currently on USD JPY, let me go down to the weekly time frame to see what USD JPY is doing on the weekly time frame. So right now on the weekly time frame on USD JPY, you notice this low was struggling to take out, and price is approaching back to this particular zone. What should price do on this zone? It's telling that price is on downtrend. All right, high is it on downtrend? Price was an uptrend here, and now shifted here. None of the lows have been broken here, but this low have been broken. You notice price came all the way to this low and then take it out. And if you notice when price take out this low, what happened? Price came all the way to this particular one test and then trying to make a pullback. Price is actually coming back to 140. So the price should get to 140 and then reacted. It's now come all the way to this particular zone, and then continuously pulling that down. Then I come all the way to this particular zone, and then before continuously pulling back down, then before continuously pulling back down. All right. So just know that USDPY is going down, and we have daily time frame on USDPY. You see this zone and mark out what happened. Price gave us enough sellers momentum here that pointing that price is heading back down. And then this is a full sellers momentum telling that price is pointing down. All you have to do is just look for a selling opportunity. Look for a selling opportunity. All right. So we'll go down to the 4 hours time frame to see what the price is doing at the 4 hours time frame. So 4 hours time frame now is giving us, look at this, look at this, look at this. 4 hours time frame did what? It came here, make a retracement, came back up here again with a buyer's momentum, and then the buyers not doing. Sorry, the sellers not doing. What's happened? The sellers came down and then take out this low, which price is retracing on, trying to make a retracement on. So all you have to do is to just be looking for a selling opportunity. Go down to your lower time frame, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, whatever time frame you're using, 30 minutes, 1 hour. Just be looking for a selling opportunity. All right. So we'll go down to Euro USD to see what Euro USD have for us here. So Euro USD weekly time frame. Let's see what the weekly time frame is pointing. Weekly time frame, men looking at it now, which you know they see say price, they points, they go up. Price is going up. Telling you that Euro USD, they go up. So all we have to do is to join the buyers. And it is there is a breakout on the particular zone. So telling you that price is going up. So all you have to do is to wait for price to come all the way to this particular zone or to this particular low to make a retracement and then continuously going. This is a zone, and then this is another low that price can also approach to. So using a fib level on this particular zone to actually determine where price is going to reject from. So all you have to do is to mark from region to region. If you go at your fib levels at this particular zone, that price can come all the way to this zone or come all the way to this zone before, sorry, to this zone before retracing. So I'll have to keep it around this particular zone and then and take entry, just be looking for a buy opportunity on BTC. So on Euro USD can make a drop here and then continuously going up. All right. So let's see as it goes on the daily time frame. So right now on the daily time frame, you notice Euro USD is bullish. Notice Euro USD is bullish. So let me remove this. Notice Euro USD is bullish, broken out the low highs. So what Euro USD can do is to make a retracement pullback inside here, boom, and then give us a confirmation, and then it's continuously going back up. So just know that Euro USD is bullish. All you have to do is to wait for retracement You can scalp a sell back here and then continuously going. Just be bullish, not just say just the bullish. All right, just the bullish, the bullish, the bullish. You understand? So price came all the way to this level, and then what happened? Make a rejections here, multiple rejections, break out, retrace back, and then telling us that price is also heading back. All we have to do is just waiting for a price opportunity. This high have been taken down. Continue waiting for a buy opportunity. Created this new high here. Continue waiting for a buy opportunity. So this is it, guys. Euro USD is bullish. Euro USD is bullish. All right. So we'll go down to gold to see what gold have for us. Right? So gold, let me go down to the weekly time frame to see what the weekly time frame is giving us on gold. So right now we are on gold. Gold is also bullish. Gold is also bullish. So all you have to do is to just be looking for a bullish opportunity. All right. So look at this price broke out of this high, make a retracement. Price has taken out this high because this is the highest price made, and then trade back. Price is taking it out, and then price make break out this high, make a retracement. No lows has been broken yet. Telling you that price is an uptrend. So all you have to be looking out for on gold is to just buy the gold. All right. So daily time frame is also giving us a buy opportunity, telling us that gold is pushing up. So all you have to do is to just be looking for a buy opportunity, wait for adjustment, continuously going. And then 4 hours is also telling us that gold is on a buy opportunity. All of them are just giving us buy, 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 buy. So just why is selling? Just they follow the things, they give you buy, they buy, they go. All right. So all you have to do is to just wait for retracement and then continuously buy. Let's go down to US oil here to see what US oil have for us. So right now, US oil, let me go down to the weekly time frame to see what the weekly time frame is doing here on US oil. So all right, this is our weekly time frame on US oil. If you notice, US oil is pointing down, pointing down. This is the zone that actually pushed price up. You notice price came all the way from this low, came all the way to this high, came here, came all the way to this, came here, came all the way to this, came here, came all the way to this, rejected, and went back up here, came back. So what are we expecting from price? This zone that actually made multiple rejections, I think there is a zone that price is actually coming to retrace on. These zones that made multiple retracements here, that's where price is actually rejecting from. So all you have to do is to just wait for a buy opportunities, and then you keep buying. If price should break this low, then you can sell back to this particular zone, because this is where price can come again and then continuously going. You notice this is the high. Let me refresh the chart. Notice this is the high. Look at this. This is the highest that price may be. Notice this is the high on the weekly time frame. And then you notice this is a high on the weekly time frame. So once this high is being broken, yeah. So just all right. If you get broken, you buy back to this one. If you get broken, you keep buying. All right, just be monitoring your highs and monitoring your lows. You go down to the daily time frame to see what the daily time frame have for us. So on the daily time frame, you notice there's a rejections on this particular zone, pointing that price is about to towards head back to the upside. So make a retracement, and then what you have to do is to just wait for a clear confirmation, and then you continuously going. Don't forget, this is giving us a downtrend now. So as you're buying, buy cautiously back to here, and then sellers can take in from there. So on the 4 hours time frame, you notice what the price is doing. 4 hours time frame is giving us a multiple rejections on this particular zones. All you have to do is to just wait for price to take out this high here and then make a retracement. You join the buyers. This is a buy momentum. Boom. When if there's a rejections here and then boom, when it come back here, make a retracement. So what you have to do is to wait, boom, 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 then you follow and then all right, wait, and then you follow up. So if price continuously selling, break even, then you join the sellers. All right. Let's say here, the trades give you confirmation, and then you join the sellers. So this is, guys, if you are new into my YouTube channel, don't forget to click the subscription button, all right, to get more of my YouTube videos. And if you have any page or anything you want me to analyze for you, or if you have anything you're finding difficult, then drop it in the comment section, all right? Don't forget to share with your friends, like as well, all right? To like as well if you learn something from this video, all right? So this is it, guys. Take care and bye for now. This is the end of the video, okay? Okay.